Alright guys, we brought this cake and can, the blueberry cheese and mango. So try natin. Okay. Ooh. Okay, try natin. Try mo, Angel. Try mo. And then we also have mango. Try po natin to. Yan. Check natin. Masarap. Hindi siya matamis. Okay. Binili po namin to sa Nesto. Dito po sa may Rip Mall. Sorry guys. Dami kaayo. How about the blueberry? Masarap? Dami kayo siya kay as in promise, dili kayo tamis. Good. Dami po tayo ang blueberry guys. So, you must try. Bili po kayo dun sa dun sa Rip Mall. Meron silang 3 flavors. Chocolate, tsaka mango, at tsaka blueberry. Pag adto na mo, ingana lang ang flavor, tulo ka buok. Lami. I can promise, lami kayo. Okay? At least, try na gud namo ni. What na? How about you, Angel?
Yum.
How about, want you try the mango?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try na Angel ang mango, guys. Okay, what can you say?
Yum.
It's Rami also? Okay. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.